And welcome back to real life Monopoly. You've bought all the village houses and now it's time to level up to a hotel. So let's get checked in. And here's the reception, or a workspace for all of you freelancers moving to Europe's lowest tax country. Then we have this nice sheltered veranda. This used to be the triple room, which will be a perfect living room. And back there you have the first ensuite bathroom. You'll spot a lot of stonework here. The ex-owner was Greek and there's a definite Greek vibe going on here. And check out these marvelous stone floors. By the way, these are super easy to clean. Trust me, it's a lot easier compared to a village garden. So let's head upstairs to the guest rooms. There's lots more to see today, and check out this cute gazebo in your own garden. And here's the double. All nice and cleaned for you. With another ensuite bathroom. Classic Bulgarian. And this way back onto the balcony. And over here we have the single room. And another bathroom. I love this balcony. So yeah, basically town life in South Bulgaria, all for a village price. And of course, you don't actually have to become a hotelier. You can just live it up in your huge townhouse. And everything you need is just a few steps away. We've got a Speedy box next door, which is an absolute godsend for online shopping. There's 2 shops on either side. You have a pharmacy, a bank. Instead of shopping local, everybody's complaining about supermarket inflation. But in Bulgaria, things are actually the other way around. Eating out has always been cheaper. And there you go, lunch for €10. And when celebrating collecting the keys, let's just say you won't need a mortgage for a beer. Na zdrave!